Once we sell a project and we've kind of finalized the rough idea of what it's going to be, the next big step is for me to take time to go over it and build it in my head. And I build it over and over and over, starting basically 4 feet underground up. And then comes game day, the day to start, and all of that range of emotions from did I think it through right? Do I have it designed exactly how it needs to be? Is it going to fit exactly in the yard based on what my initial dimensions were? So I go through this up and down of this is good, uh-oh, this is good, uh-oh, I think I got it right, I think I don't. In this particular case, we started here this morning, and there was a tree that needed to be removed. Well, we cut down one half of the tree and then looked at the other half and realized how far it leaned toward the house. And I kind of went, oops, I wonder if I overthought this or didn't think about this one enough and should have brought in a specialist to take care of it. But we were able to get the tree taken down and did what we needed to do. But that initial emotion was I was up and then I was like, oh, worried about it, then back up again and then a little bit worried about it. Once the tree was down, next it was the next thing. Okay, are we the right distance away from this? Are we the right distance away from that? So the emotions go up and down initially, and only because I'm really connected to a project. If I was just building a pool to build a pool, I guess I probably wouldn't care. I know where I started from in the pool business. It was you're building just another pool, so there was a very little of that. This is really designing and crafting from the ground up and trying to create something special, something unique, a bit of a piece of art. So from that standpoint, I take it very personally if something doesn't work exactly like I want it to work, and I carry that around with me like a cloak sometimes. So I always like to know that I have it right, and as it is now, this project appears to be right. So from here forward, now it's just we'll start digging, excavating, and starting to create the shape and the space.